This is my 1940 Waterwich model 571.34. It's 3/4 of a horsepower, has a 1.5-inch bore, 1 9/32 stroke, uses a Champion J8 plug. The fuel mixture is 1 pint oil per gallon of gas. It cost $28.50 when it was new. It shares a lot of parts with the Elgin 1 1/4 horsepowers that replaced it. The gas cap and the bracket are the same, just to mention a few things. I haven't seen many of these motors running, and this one runs quite well. It's air-cooled. It has a crazy flywheel that looks like an old doughboy helmet with a bunch of blades on the bottom. It has a cast iron cylinder with canted cooling fins, and a quite interesting Tillotson carburetor that has absolutely no throttle butterfly valves. It also has, which someone probably put on here, this kind of funny primer knob. And it has a recoil, which is something that very few of these motors have. That noise that you may hear, which is a clanging noise, is a recoil, which is kind of crazy how it works. Under here, you have the rope plate, and here, on this disc, is the spring, which does not move when you pull it over. You can see here the spring going in. And that is the 1940 Waterwich air-cooled model 57.34.